Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your YouTube profile picture on mobile. So let's dive right in. First, open up any web browser on your phone and search for default profile picture. And now select any picture from here. And now hold the picture and tap on download image. And now open up the YouTube app on your phone. And once you are on YouTube, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now tap on View Channel. And once you are here, tap on the pencil icon at the right side of the screen. In the channel settings, tap on your profile picture. And now select the picture you have downloaded. And tap on Save as Profile Picture. And that's it. Your YouTube profile picture has been removed, and your account will now show the default avatar instead. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.